Guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Sanapal, you know that. Today I'm not joking about this, I'm just doing the best video ever. So this video is slime. So I'm making slime with hand soap. This hand soap is, this hand soap is Procket Master Blaster hand wash, and the Indian products 250 washes, and this is very good. And this hand wash is gel hand wash, not the thick hand wash I'm using. So I love this hand wash because this smells very good, and this proved me that the slime will make with this. And next I have that pinch of salt, means I have salt here, Legro salt, and one fork to mix it, and one bowl, and what I can say, the cover is the lid I have. So let's make it. So first of all I am using the hand wash, so I will just put it here. So let's make it.
मिश्री सी मीठी खुशियाँ मोर पंखी सा रंग पहने हैं बावरा
So there you go. I have just give the hand wash here. I'm not added anything. I'm not tell you the lie, because I loved you and I sure share my all of things, and I'm not the broken heart that I will lie with you. So this is the hand wash. So let's mix it. Up. Now just we will add pinch of salt. So like that, let's add pinch of salt in here. So this is the salt. So pinch of salt we will just add. It's make like a activator. So let's mix it up.
छोटी सी सुर्खी मैं नदी थी तुमने बनाया मुझको सागर प्यार में देखो डूबी तो जीने लगी रे हाँ मेरे हर सांसों के शहर में
just adding some. Pinch of salt. Let's mix it. Plus I have to keep. So let's keep. Now the video says that we will keep 30 minutes in the freezer. So let's keep in 30 minutes for freezer. So I have wrapped this with the plastic and have band means I have packed with this guider for the not take the air. So let's keep in the freezer for 30 minutes. So let's go and keep in the freezer. For 30 minutes we have to keep. So there you go. Now wait for the 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, there go the slime. So I cannot believe my slime works. So this is the blue slime you have seen in the video. Wow, I love to play with this slime. I love it, and jelly. I love it. It is very cool and it's not sticky. You can see? Not sticky. See, I'm just pressing my fingers and see my finger is not sticky yet. And it is very good for me. And it works. I cannot believe it works. So I'm very happy for that, and my experiment works. It's the first time I'm making the slime with the hand wash. So I'm very confused about this and very nervous. At now means now the result I've got. No tension about it now. So it is fluffy and jelly like a structure, and it's very good to play, and I love this. And Indian ingredients I have get. So just two things to remember, guys. One is salt and one is hand wash. Means this hand wash I've kept it. So you guys try this in your home, keep it in freezer for 30 minutes, and you can see the result I have done. And it's very good clay like structure, and it's now fluffing like this. It's popping like this. So how do you like my video? Please comment below and read my description yet. So how do you like? Please subscribe it and share it with your friends. And anyway, just try it at your home. Pinch of salt you will just need, okay? So tata, bye bye. And how do you like video? Please comment and do this in your home, experiment, and contact me with the notifications of this video. So bye bye, see you later. Woo. Bye, tata.